and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you the gentleman's box. This is about $30. It's $29.99 or $97 or something odd like that. It is for men. It's for the savvy man. There's a tri-fold thingy. You do get a booklet with the prices of the things that are inside the box, and my husband really does like this box. I like this box for him. It says honoring our favorite Longhorn. I don't know what that means, but I don't know. We really like this box for him, so we have kept it. There is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. Currently 3 winners, possibly 4. If you guys could help me to 3K subscribers before the end of June, I will add a 4th winner. And there are Jeffree Star products in the winnings. So check that out if you are interested. Share it out to your friends that might be interested. Blah, 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 blah. Let's get into this box. And there's other information linked down below if you're interested. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Lord of Ties, and it is $35. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I would not care for this tie on him. It's not really his style. I don't know, I just can't see my husband walking around with flowers on him. So, I don't know, the socks are cute though. So these socks retail for $15, King and Portland, and they're like a salmon color, but then they have like a blue line across the toe, and then they have a blue the elastic part that goes around the ankle. So those are nice. I am pulling out Carnivore Club. What is this? The classic box, 46 premium cured meats in the snack box. Jam-packed with premium cured meats. Each month you can expect to get delicious treats. I'm gonna look into this. I don't know, I haven't mentioned this because I haven't talked to you guys, but we just recently signed up. We wanted to look at doing something a little different this summer as far as our meal plans go. So we signed up for some smoothie subscriptions. We signed up for 2 of them to see which ones we like the best. I don't remember the names of them. I will throw them up on the screen, and then I will give you an update on which smoothie subscription I like the best out of the 2, because what we'll do is we'll try both of them this week. We're supposed to get 1 delivery tomorrow, and then I think the other delivery either comes toward the end of the week or at the beginning of next week. So we're going to try both of the subscription services, and I'll let you know which one we preferred. But anyway, it's just for, well, they don't just have smoothies. They have like healthy bowls too, oatmeal, things like that. But I just really wanted to stick to the smoothies and the lattes. And then we also signed up for Home Chef again. And we decided to do a meal plan for 3 times a week through Home Chef. And I know that in the past, I said that we liked Home Chef and Plated quite a bit. We don't like HelloFresh. I'm always complaining about that. But I have just recently learned that Plated is no longer a thing. So it has been a hot minute, I suppose, since I actually subscribed to those food boxes. I mean, it's been more than a year, but I really didn't think it was longer than that. But looking them up again, I found out that there's no longer Plated. So we went with Home Chef. We did check out a few others, but they just didn't look as good. Back to where we were. Oh, anyway, so my train of thought is I'm going to bring this up to my husband, and we might try this because we love a good charcuterie board and cheese board. And so, I don't know. We'll give it a go. I think we'll give it a go. I'll talk to my husband. The next thing I am pulling out is a Briar leather. Oh, okay. So there's the pen and the case. The case is $20, and it's just a leather. Is it leather? Yes, it's leather. And then the pen comes in a little velvet patch as well. pouch. And it retails for $15. That's a nice looking pen. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a shoe brush, and it retails for $10. So that's cool. I mean, I know he'll wear the socks, and I know he'll use the pen. I don't know how much he'll use this, and I don't think he's gonna get much use out of this tie. But generally, we really like this box, so that's cool. That was the gentleman's box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope I took you out of your space for a little while. It is really hot in this room. I am ready to be done recording for the day. So I hope you guys have a great day, great week. It's Monday for me. You won't actually see these on a Monday, or you might, but it might not be the same Monday. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.